नमस्ते, आई एम जीवन डॉक्टर सपना एंड आज का सेशन है अबाउट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनलिज्म और उनकी रेमेडीज़। जनरली जो मेन प्रॉब्लम्स हैं इसमें आ रही हैं और इसके लिए हमें क्या रेमेडीज़ होनी चाहिए। लास्ट सेशंस में आपने देखा था कि व्हाट इज़ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, फिर देखा व्हाट इज़ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनलिज्म, उसका मीनिंग, डेफिनेशन, फीचर्स, एंड नाउ टुडे वी डिस्कस अबाउट द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनलिज्म एंड गिव देयर रेमेडीज़। सो सबसे पहले ये है कि मॉडर्न कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनलिज्म को बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करनी पड़ रही हैं, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल वॉर, नेशनल इमरजेंसी, सोशल एंड इकोनॉमिक बैकवर्डनेस, authoritarianism, etc. For example, आप देखेंगे कि in the war time when the government claims absolute power and in the name of defending the realm from foreign aggression goes to the final extent of crushing the essential liberties of the people. In wartime, the government undertake the several measures like the compulsory military training, nationalization of major industries, censorship of the press, etc. for the sake of defending country. Then it come to the national emergency, yani the suspension of the constitutional government is possible in emergency. It can crush the opposition, but it will not be constitutionalism. And another thing, it is a social and economic backwardness. In developing countries, there are many problems like social, economic, political, educational, technical, and other problems. So these countries try to, try to remove them, but developed countries give help to developing countries on their conditions. And another thing is the totalitarianism or the authoritarianism, because it also a great problem in the way of constitutionalism. So these are the main problems जो कि constitutionalism के सामने आ रही है. Again फिर हम repeat कर रहे हैं, that is a war, क्योंकि war के कारण क्या हो रहा है पूरा आप कह सकते हैं, you have to face the government undertake the several measures like the compulsory training, nationalization of major industries of the press, etc. for the sake of defending country and all this. National emergency, social and economic backwardness. अब now it come to the remedies है, तो remedies अगर हम इसकी रहे, जो ये suggestions हैं for remedies of problem of constitutionalism are generally like the disarmament, faith in the democratic government, federal government, faith in international law, justice, and obvious in the integration and the prosperity of the country. जैसे disarmaments can control the war and cold war. Due to disarmament, the money can use in public welfare plans. There is a faith in democratic governments, or nowadays democracy in the best form of government, and in this government there is no possibility of the totalitarianism. And then there is a federal government, because it will it greatly contributes to the strengthening of the constitutional state. Then there is a prosperity, because poverty is a serious problem in the way of constitutionalism, and economic policies should minimize the gap between the classes of society. And there is a faith in the international law and justice, and it is must for the successful working of constitutionalism. And another thing is recognition to the principle of national self-determination is necessary. So this is the main the main problem and some remedies for the constitutionalism. Thank you.